Title: The Honest Fruit Seller. Moral: Allah loves honesty and He blesses those who are truthful. In a small village there lived a poor fruit seller named Ahmed. He had very few fruits to sell, but he always made sure his weighing scale was fair. He never lied, never cheated, and always greeted his customers with a smile. One day, a rich man came to the market. He saw Ahmed selling fruits and decided to test him. The man bought some apples and gave extra money by mistake. Ahmed quickly noticed and called the man back. "Brother, you gave too much. Here is your change." The man was surprised. He asked, "Why did you return it? You could have kept it." Ahmed replied, "Because I fear Allah. I want only halal, honest earnings." The rich man smiled and said, "You are truly a good Muslim. I want to help you. From today I will buy fruits only from you and tell others too." Soon, more people started buying from Ahmed. His business grew, and he remained humble and honest. Moral: honesty brings barakah, blessings. Never lie or cheat, because Allah is always watching.